Welcome to the best picks. The best fireplace gloves is probably one of the most important safety accessories for anyone who loves the ambience of a crackling fire, protecting your hands from burns and embers while allowing you to easily handle firewood, adjust logs, and tend to your fireplace with confidence and peace of mind. In this video, we will review the top-rated fireproof long leather fireplace gloves available on the market, comparing their features, durability, heat resistance, dexterity, and overall value to help you choose the perfect pair for your needs. Number 5. RAPICCA Fireplace Gloves. These gloves provide superior protection against extreme heat, up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. They're perfect for handling anything from fireplaces to welding torches. With extra-long 16-inch design and 7.5-inch sleeves, they offer exceptional coverage for your forearms. Stay safe from flames and sparks. The soft cotton lining ensures comfort and breathability, while reinforced leather padding provides extra protection without sacrificing dexterity. Made from premium, fire-resistant leather and enhanced with Kevlar stitching, they're built to withstand even the toughest conditions. They offer unmatched durability. From fireplaces and campfires to welding and BBQs, these gloves are versatile enough for a wide range of applications. They're a must-have for any professional or DIY enthusiast. We're confident you'll love these gloves. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. It provides superior protection with its extra-long design and heat resistance up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. If you need maximum forearm coverage and exceptional heat protection for demanding tasks, this is the perfect choice. This is ideal for welders and those working with extremely high temperatures. What people say. The fingers have a reinforcing layer on the palm side of the gloves. The palm has the same reinforcing layer, although it goes all the way around the glove, and that layer is also double-stitched for good measure. The thumb is reinforced on both sides. The stitching is quite nice enough that they could use a bold, contrasting thread color, turning the stitching into an actual part of the design. Up close, it looks fantastic. The heat resistance was way better than my last gloves. I could have held that skillet until the cows came home. I think these gloves probably have a higher heat rating than my last pair. Number 4. Leather Forge Welding Gloves. These gloves withstand extreme heat up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, 500 degrees Celsius. They're made with multiple layers for superior protection, including genuine cowhide leather and heat-resistant aluminum foil. Made from 1.2 mm thick cowhide, they are also wear, puncture, cut, and oil-resistant. Reinforced stitching ensures they'll last. With a 16-inch length and 7.5-inch sleeve, they protect your entire hand and forearm from heat and other hazards. Perfect for various tasks. These aren't just for welding. Use them for grilling, baking, gardening, animal handling, almost anything that requires heat protection. We're so confident in these gloves, we offer a lifetime guarantee. Register your product and contact us with any issues, we'll provide 100% satisfaction. What we like. Made from durable, thick leather, it can withstand extreme heat up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. If you value durability and need a glove for various high-heat applications, from welding to cooking, this is for you. Its versatility makes it a great all-around choice for many different tasks. What people say. I can reach into the fire with these gloves and not feel the heat or flames. Good protection for putting wood in a hot wood stove. Keeps the splinters away too. Oh, and they are comfy. The extra length really protects your arms from bumping into the hot metal of the stove, and the gloves themselves don't really get hot when grabbing logs to shuffle around. Number 3. Welding Gloves 16IN. These gloves are made from durable leather, shielding your hands from intense heat. They're ideal for welders, blacksmiths, or anyone working with high temperatures. It can withstand heat up to 662 degrees Fahrenheit, 350 degrees Celsius. Feel safe handling hot tools and open flames. The Kevlar stitching and cotton liner offer exceptional protection. They're comfortable and suitable for both men and women. These aren't just for welding, they also provide protection against animal bites and scratches. It's versatile protection for various tasks. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, simply let us know and we'll make it right. Keep your hands safe while tending to fireplaces, fire pits, and wood stoves. They provide reliable protection from the heat. The high-quality leather ensures long-lasting durability and superior heat resistance. They're built to withstand demanding work environments. What we like. This glove offers reliable protection with its heat resistance up to 662 degrees Fahrenheit and reinforced Kevlar stitching. If you are looking for a balance of heat protection and dexterity for tasks like working with fireplaces or handling hot tools, this is a great option. It's suitable for various applications, offering good value. What people say. They are long enough to prevent him from getting burned by the welding sparks and flexible enough to make them easy to use while doing his job safely. He could put his arm into the stove to adjust the wood as he was stocking it for the night. The gloves protected him 100%. He never felt the heat through the gloves' fabric. These gloves are long enough that they protected his forearm too. Fit great, comfortable and definitely heat resistant. I used them for our fireplace and I can stick my hands into the fireplace or grab a coal that falls out without any problems. I feel no heat and the gloves don't burn. Makes me feel very safe. Number 2. Cowhide Heat Gloves. These gloves are made from 100% split cow leather, selected for its high quality and thickness. It's tough, yet soft and flexible, offering great protection and comfort. They can withstand temperatures up to 662 degrees Fahrenheit. That makes them perfect for welding, handling hot cookware, or working with burning materials. The Kevlar stitching is incredibly strong and heat resistant, far surpassing other gloves. It's reinforced on the palm for extra protection. With a soft cotton lining and denim cuffs, they're comfortable even during extended use. The design is also great for delicate tasks like animal handling. We're so confident you'll love them, we offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. Try them for welding, grilling, or any tough job. What we like. This option provides excellent heat resistance up to 662 degrees Fahrenheit with durable leather construction. If you prioritize flexibility and comfort while still needing strong heat protection, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who need dexterity while handling hot items. What people say. I use primarily for the wood stove, and they have been used multiple times each day throughout 3 winters and still holding up great. Good heat resistance, great fit, size large fits like a real size large, not tight, all stitching is still intact and good dexterity for something that protects so well. I just bought a second pair of these to use as oven mitts. With these, I can take hot things out of the oven and take my time safely putting them down. I also have another pair I use for MIG and stick welding. They are awesome. With enough dexterity and heat resistance. I use those for campfires too when I need to grab burning wood or coals to stoke the fire real quick. The leather on these gloves is at least twice as my work gloves and the gloves come up almost to my elbow. I've moved logs with red-hot coals without feeling the heat. I haven't held them long but much longer than with any other glove I've used. Number 1. GNF 1682 Gloves. These gloves are your ultimate protection against extreme heat. They're perfect for any task, from grilling to handling hot cookware. It can withstand incredibly high temperatures and even brief contact with flames. Your hands will stay safe, no matter how hot things get. They provide excellent grip, so you maintain control even when handling slippery or awkward items. You'll have the dexterity you need for precise tasks. Whether you're grilling outdoors or cooking indoors, these gloves are up to the task. They're ideal for any situation requiring heat protection. These gloves are a barbecue enthusiast's dream. They provide the protection you need to handle hot grills and smoking meats with confidence. From the kitchen to the campfire, they offer versatile protection in any environment. They're ready for whatever heat you throw at them. What we like. These gloves offer excellent heat resistance and a superior grip. If you need a glove that can withstand extreme heat while maintaining dexterity, this is a great option. They are perfect for precise tasks involving high heat, like grilling or cooking. What people say. This bad boy blows away any other heat-resistant glove we have worn. Very well thought out, stylish, and versatile. Can be used on either hand comfortably and it does what it's supposed to do. Nice double-sided glove, you only get one so keep that in mind. The quality is excellent, and I was able to grab a hold of a hot grate and hold it for a few seconds before feeling some heat, so they are indeed heat resistant. I use it as an extra layer of protection, mainly when handling the chimney starter and dumping the hot charcoal. I also like the long wrist guard that protects that area nicely. This mitt is very helpful. You can order one or two, each mitt has the special no-burn stuff on both sides, there's not a right-handed or left-handed one. I like that I can still grip stuff. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.